Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can generate image using Gemini Google AI tool. So now here you can search for Gemini, and then here you can see this is the official website. So now you can create a free account, and after that here you can search for please generate one image for Fiverr gig WordPress website development services. Then press enter. So before that we use ChatGPT to generate any type of image. So now Google has introduced its platform Gemini, and it can easily generate images very fast. So guys, here you can see images generated. You can open and view this image, as well as if you want to download this image, just you can click here, and after that within few seconds you will get this image in your laptop. So thank you for watching.